today I am back with my new video. So today I'm going to make a video on a topic of mysterious places. My one subscriber has told me in comment section that make a video on a topic of mysterious places, so I'm back with that video. Before starting any mysterious places, I'll tell you what is mysteries and what is the meaning of mysteries and all. I'll tell you in detail. So see the video till end and enjoy it. Meaning of mysteries. So the meaning of mystery is, this is the first mean, and yeah, I'll tell you. A religious truth not understandable by the application of human reason alone without divine aid. Yeah. So, a religious. They were a religious of mystery that we can't understand. What is mystery? Okay. Our application, a human people has been find it out that what is mystery. So that is only the without divine aid. This is only the first mean of mystery. So the second mean of mystery is someone or something with an obscure or puzzling nature. Yeah guys, so this meaning is this for someone or something. So someone or in the some place or some trees or in the nature of anywhere, this mystery has been situated, located. Okay, so it was the jumble and it was in the nature. Okay, so someone or a something obscure. In this sentence there was a one word that is, so many people don't know that what is this mean of that word. So that word is obscure in this. Have you heard this word? So many people has not heard, but okay, I have also not heard it, but when I'm just finding out about mysteries, so I have also heard first time, so I also known about this, and I'll tell you what is the mean of this. The mean of obscure is something that is invisible, that we can't see. Okay, that is only the obscure, and that is just understandable, that we can't understand, that we can't explainable, that we can't expect, or as I have told you, that only. So that is only the meaning of obscure. So heard it this word and learn it and use it in your life. So this is the last mean of mystery. Yeah guys, this is the last but not the least mean of mystery. Something secret or unexplainable and unknown. The truth behind the events remains a mystery. As I have told you in the mean of obscure, this is only this mean of. So something secret, something is just like secret. I have told you, as I have told you, that what is the mean of in Hindi secret. So that is only a secret, unexplainable, that we can't explain to someone and we only don't know. And the truth behind the events remains a mystery, that is gupt, and we can't see behind the truth, and in events remains a mystery. That is only the mean of mystery. So I have told you the three basic mean of mystery. So in this video I have told you that I'll tell you some mysterious places. So I'll tell you three mysterious places. So let's begin to the first mysterious place. So our first mystery place is Greenland and ice cap. Yes guys, this is the place where Greenland and ice cap is there, and where is the Greenland and ice cap is located, and the temperatures, and in more of the detail I'll tell you this. Okay, so let's start with our Greenland and ice cap. So as I have told you that our first mystery place is Greenland and ice cap. Yeah guys, Greenland and ice cap is our first mystery place. So first of all we will know about where it's located. So it was located in Arctic region. Yeah guys, it was located in Arctic region. Let me show you the map of Arctic region, that it will be easier for understood you that where it's located. So in your screen there were a map of where it's located, Greenland and ice cap. So see guys, this is only the map where Greenland and ice cap is located, and this map I have found it out from Google. So if you cannot understood well, so you can go in Google and search it that where Greenland and ice cap is located, then in whole informations you will be get it. So this is the only map of Greenland and ice cap. Now we will know about what is the temperature in Greenland and ice cap. So the temperature in Greenland and ice cap is the lowest mean annual temperature about 31 Celsius, creast of the South Dome are about 20 Celsius. Yeah guys, in the lowest mean temperature there were about 31 Celsius, and creased dome south it around 20 Celsius. So this is the temperature in Greenland and ice cap. Now we will know about what is the area in Greenland and ice cap, what is the percentage covered, and the thickness, meters and shells, aged and years. We will know about this. So Greenland is spread across a vast area of 8,36,300 square miles, and 80% of it covered by ice. Yeah guys, in Greenland it was spread, the ice is spread vast area 8,36,300 square miles, and the 80% covered by ice. And now we will know about its thickness. Some ice sheets of this island have a thickness of 3,200 meters. Yes guys, in there was ice sheets of this island have a thickness of 3,200 meters. It's time to know about its estimated Greenland ice shells and aged. So it is also estimated that Greenland ice shells are aged between, and they were aged of between 4 lakh or 8 lakh years, and it was the aged between 4 lakh and 8 lakh years. It was aged of this. Now here my in full detail about Greenland and ice cap. Now we will move to the next mystery place. So in whole detail how much I would have collected information about Greenland and ice cap, so I have shared with you all, and I hope you understood about Greenland and ice cap. It was covered with ice of 80%, and it was very beautiful scene that you all can see. Like, it was not a Greenland and ice cap pictures that you all have seen in your screen, but it was the where polar bear and penguin is living. So the place pictures is this, and I have collected this all pictures from Google. So now we will move to the next mystery place. So let's begin. So guys, this is our second mystery place, which is Biden-Jaron Desert, and now we will talk about this in whole detail, the location of this Biden-Jaron Desert and the temperature of there, and in whole detail I'll discuss with you all. So let's begin to this Biden-Jaron Deserts. Sorry, not a desert, it's desert. So guys, First of all, I would want to tell you that this all pictures which you are seeing in your screen, this is not all are from Biden Jaran desert. It is not a copyright. Okay, so it's a like normal desert like in Rajasthan. How type of desert is there? So this all pictures are from there only. I have collected from Google only. So don't think that this all pictures are from Biden Jaran desert. So now if I can start sharing with you all in whole detail of this Biden Jaran desert. First of all, we will talk about where Biden Jaran desert is located. So Biden Jaran desert is located in Western Inner Mongolia in China. So guys, it was located in Western Inner Mongolia in China. In China there were Western Inner Mongolia. So there is only this Biden Jaran desert is located. Now we'll know about what is the temperature in this Biden Jaran desert. Before that, I will want to show you the map where this Biden Jaran desert is located. So guys, in your screen there is a map of Biden Jaran desert. So this is only the map of Biden Jaran desert which you all are seeing in your screen. So this all maps which two maps I have shown you. This is from Google and it is of Jaran Byron desert. Okay, so now move to the next. Now I have shown you the map of Biden Jaran desert. So now I'll tell you what is the temperature in Biden Jaran desert. So yeah, I'll tell you. So the temperature in Biden Jaran desert is there were annual mean of 8 degrees Celsius and absolute low. The low temperature is there 30 degrees Celsius and absolute high and high temperature were there 41 degrees Celsius. Now we will move to the next. So now we will talk about its covers, area and square kilometers, square meter, size and how much large it was. So it covers an area of 49,000 square kilometers. Yes guys, this desert covers 49,000 square kilometers and 19,000 square meter, and it has 12 lakh across. Yes guys, it has a 19,000 square meter and 12 lakh across. And guys, now we will talk about its size, how much it's largest and all. So by in size we'll talk. So it was the third largest desert in China. So this desert is from China, and it was the largest third desert from China. So this was the detail about this Biden Jaran desert. So guys, I hope you understood about this Biden Jaran desert. So now we will move to the next our mystery place. So I hope you understood this, and this all pictures as I have told you are from Google. So you can search it that the pictures of Biden Jaran desert, so in detail and all the things you will be getted, and how much I would collect the informations I have shared with you all. And I hope you enjoy this two mystery place, and one more is left. So yeah, I'll tell you about this also. So enjoy and watch till end. So guys, this is our last mystery place, which is Bermuda Triangle. So guys, in this Bermuda Triangle we will also know about this, where it's located and the temperature of there, and in much of detail we will talk about this also, how we have discussed about two mystery places, I will tell you about this also, that things and understood it well and listen carefully. First, we will know about where Bermuda Triangle is located. So, Bermuda Triangle is located in western part of the northern Atlantic Ocean. Yes, guys, Bermuda Triangle is in the ocean, and it was in the western side, and it was the part of the North Atlantic. And in North Atlantic, in western side, one ocean is there. There only this Bermuda Triangle is located. Now I'll show you the map of this Bermuda Triangle. Then it will be easier for you to know that where is Bermuda Triangle is located. So see the map of Bermuda Triangle and heard it carefully. So guys, this is the map of Bermuda Triangle, and you can see this on your screen and know that where is Bermuda Triangle. There was Florida, Gulf of Mexico, and Mexico nearest Bermuda is on the nearest Mexico only, and so many Bermuda Triangle is ocean. In blue, we all know that blue portion is always water, and green is plants and trees and all. So this is only the map of this Bermuda Triangle. I hope you understood this, where Bermuda Triangle is located. Guys, now we will know about the temperature in Bermuda Triangle. So the temperature in Bermuda Triangle is there, as I have told you that it is in the ocean, so it was not necessary that the temperature is always like 21 Celsius, or like once when this temperature will be there. So no, according to the month, there was the temperature is. So in May to October there was summer, and in December and March there was a winter. And it is not necessary that always there was warm or it was cold. No, the temperature is according to the month, and some in this May to October, and out of this December and March, there was one temperature is there, that is 21 Celsius to about 28 Celsius. This was the daily temperature. I hope you understood that according to the month there was selecting the temperatures. So now we will know about next, that in more detail we will know two things we have discussed, the where it's located and the temperature. Now in some basic things we will know about this off. So yeah, I'll tell you. So guys, now I have discussed with you all about location and temperature. Now we will discuss about more, as I have told you. So the Bermuda Triangle is also known as Devil's Triangle. Yes guys, in so many of the most of the places there will be taken the name of this Bermuda Triangle as Devil's Triangle. So guys, as I have told you in location, that western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, it was so in there was so many aircraft and ships are said to have disappeared under some circumstances. So yeah guys, so many aircrafts and ships has been gone in this ocean and cannot come. So we don't know that how many aircrafts and ships has been gone, but we can't count it. But that this was to be know about who is just founder of this this Bermuda Triangle. So guys, this is only the some detail how much I have collected from Google, how much I would be have collected from with my friends and from helping. So guys, in this video I have worked hard, and like this speaking this much and this photographs and editing this video and for hardly. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please like and share it. So guys, now video is not over and all, but yeah, I'll tell you one more thing about this Bermuda Triangle. So not most important thing I want to tell, but that this all pictures in Greenland and ice cap and in Biden Jaren desert, the pictures are not there were of Greenland and ice cap Biden Jaren desert was not real pictures. And in this picture which you all seeing in your screen, and so more pictures are there which is of reality by this triangle. So guys, so many pictures, and so many pictures are not of this Bermuda Triangle. So guys, I hope you have seen this video and were carefully, and you have understood the topics and some words. You have getted some English words. I hope I have also getted some English words with this, and I also learned something with this. So guys, in next video which you want to see the video about, tell me the topic in comment section. So guys, in this video till I want to tell till this much only. So I hope you enjoy this video. So please give a big thumbs up to this video. I'm telling so many times that I have worked so hardly on this video. So guys, please like, share and comment to this video. So guys, before ending this video, I would want to show you some pictures which is a real picture of Bermuda Triangle. So in your screen, this is also the real picture, and this also was the real picture also which you are seeing in your screen. This is also the real picture. So guys, this is the last but not the least picture of Bermuda Triangle. So bye bye, see you in the next video.